Welcome to Personal Medicine Profile. In this video, we'd like to show you how to use the Personal Medicine Profile and how to use it with your doctor to make decisions about your medication. Remember that you must not change or stop taking your medicine without prior agreement with your doctor. Personal Medicine Profile has a strong focus on data security. The program is structured and controlled by EU authorities for the area. You will receive your own secure data account, which you control yourself. You can share your results with your doctor or other healthcare professionals. Please note that it is not legal to share your genetic data with insurance companies in the EU. Once you have purchased a Personal Medicine Profile, you will be given access to your personal account via your email. When logging in for the first time, you must also give us consent to analyse your sample. On the right, you can follow the status of how far your DNA sample is in the process from when we receive it at the laboratory until the results are available. In the top right corner, you can choose to view your profile in another language, and you can change your personal information, such as email address. It is a good idea for you to enter your current medication, or perhaps medication that you are curious about whether you can use. The advantage is that you can get feedback on how your current medication fits your genetic analysis. If you have entered your medication, on the first page, when the result is ready, your feedback will be displayed in the overview form. We will also write a personal letter to you, which you can find under the Personal Letter tab. Your medical information is entered via a questionnaire. Later, you can always update and change the information. You can also skip questions that you do not want to answer. Write your current and any previous medications on the form. In this way, you can compile an overview for yourself and for your doctor about your experiences with different medications. You enter your medical information under Medicine Information. On your pill box, you will find the name of your medicine, and right next to or under the name, you will find the ingredient. If you cannot find your medication on the list that pops up when you type it, you can enter it down at the bottom of the questionnaire, and we will help you. It is important that you complete this information to get our direct feedback on your current medication. This is also important if you want to share your result later with your pharmacist or doctor. When your sample has been analysed and the results are available, you will, on page 1, see the results for your current medicine, and, on the results page, see the results for all medicine that is included in the analysis. There is also an explanatory text for each finding. The next time you log in, there may be even more medicine to see, as we are updating the list of medicines all the time, and as soon as there is sufficient scientific documentation. Red. This medicine should be used with extreme caution. Consider alternative medical treatment. Yellow. Use with caution with frequent monitoring. Green. Use as directed with the usual precautions. When your analysis is ready, you can see information about your current medication in Personal Letter. Maybe something should be discussed with your doctor. Under Result, you can see your expected reaction to all the drugs included in the test. In the Search field, you can search for medications for different diagnoses and find a drug that fits your genetic profile. For example, write Depression under the Disease field and see all preparations and recommendations, or add an extra filter to the search by selecting the Warning Type field and selecting drugs with a green code that are relatively unproblematic for you to use in relation to your genetic profile. In this way, you can see instructions on what suits your genetics. However, you should be aware that the doctor must also assess your overall state of health before choosing medication. There are other considerations such as age, smoking, lifestyle, other medication, etc. You can share your result and your personal letter with your doctor or nurse or pharmacy via a secure encrypted sharing feature. Please be aware that you must not share your genetic data with insurance companies. You click on the Share function and fill in the form with the name and email address of the person you want to share with. An email with a secure link to the recipient will then be sent automatically. You can decide for yourself how long the link is valid, and you can extend the access by pressing Renew. Once you've shared your result with the healthcare professionals, they can see the same as you. 1. Your personal letter, PDF. 2. The overall result, where they can search to find personalised medicine for you. In the field to the right, you can see the name of the person who approved your report. You are always welcome to send us questions by email. Your doctor can search for new medications or replace current medications via the Result tab. In this example, the analysis result on the front page shows that the patient is receiving medication that is marked in red, and therefore the medication must either be used with extreme caution or replaced with another medication. The patient's gene variation means that the drug is not sufficiently converted. Another medication must exist. Another practical example. If you have been injured or require surgery, it may be helpful to search for painkillers. Go to the Result tab and search for painkillers, and if necessary, filter with green. This will help you and your doctor to prepare a scientifically supported plan for your treatment. You can use it every time you need a new medicine, and, if relevant, share it with the hospital. DNA does not change throughout your life, which is why you can use the personal medicine profile throughout your life. We automatically add new science and medicine to your report, and we ensure that your doctor can see the scientific references and use them in his or her assessment. We emphasize that the references are consensus references, and that all scientific documentation is professionally shared as preferred by the doctors. DNA does not change throughout your life, which is why you can use the personal medicine profile throughout your life. We automatically add new science and medicine to your report, and we ensure that your doctor can see the scientific references and use them in his or her assessment. We emphasize that the references are consensus references, and that all scientific documentation is professionally shared as preferred by the doctors. Thank you for your interest. Enjoy your new medicine passport.